Hello to everybody. I invite you today to a very interesting talk about a topic about the role of allergy prevention. The focus today is that we will speak about the differential influence of different hydrolyzed infant formula in the context of allergy prevention. And it's my great pleasure to introduce Dr. Andrea von Berg, I think well known already, as she is very often author or a co-author of publications linked to the GINI study. And this is the aim of our talk.
Hello, everybody. Thank you to have invited me to this talk. I always like to talk about the GINI study, the German Infant Nutritional Intervention study. The GINI study is the largest study in this field on allergy prevention with certain hydrolyzed formulas. We included in the beginning 2,252 children with high risk for allergy. And at the 20-year follow-up, we still had more than 50% in the ITT analysis as well in the per protocol analysis.
If I may just ask you, because you already started talking about the GINI study in the sense, what do you think, what makes the GINI study so special?
I think it is that we involved newborns and followed them now for more than 20 years. So this is definitely the largest study which up to now has ever been done in this field. But what is also special is that we compared different hydrolysates, different in molecular weight and different in the basic protein, and compared them to regular cow's milk formula.
Let's say after 1 or 3 years, what was the main result?
First of all, the onset of effect is very early. I have to say that we recommended for the newborn babies exclusive breastfeeding, but if this was not possible, then the children received randomized and double-blind and prospective one of 4 formulas. The partial hydrolyzed whey formula, extensively hydrolyzed whey formula, an extensively hydrolyzed casein formula, and the regular cow's milk formula to be fed if breast milk was not possible. The duration of the intervention was 4 months. So only after 4 months of giving the formula, we saw an effect very early. The first time that we saw the children and examined the children after birth was at 1 year, and we saw already the effect had started. There was a significant effect of the partial hydrolyzed whey and the extensively hydrolyzed casein on the appearance of occurrence of atopic dermatitis. At 3 years, we still found the significant effect of the partial hydrolyzed whey and the extensively hydrolyzed casein on atopic eczema, but not with the extensively hydrolyzed whey formula. 3 years, we realized there is no rebound effect.
Allergy prevention might be a very broad topic. Yeah. But what we can at least say from the GINI study, the worldwide biggest study, that you clearly saw an effect on the development of atopic eczema.
Yeah.
You saw it after 1 year, you saw it after 3 years. And how was it after 6, 10, and 15 years?
It was exactly the same. It is significant effect on the prevalence of asthma between 16 and 20 years. So after 15 years. And that was with the partially hydrolyzed whey formula and the extensively hydrolyzed casein formula. That's interesting. We didn't find a significant effect on allergic rhinitis. A significant effect with both formulas, partial hydrolyzed whey and extensively hydrolyzed casein on atopic eczema. And I think this is a fantastic result. It's one of a very important finding we had in the GINI study, and I think this was the first study to show it, is that different hydrolysates have different effects on different manifestations. How is this possible that one hydrolysate is different than the other? For example, why is a partial hydrolysate different from another partial hydrolysate? It is probably the way how the hydrolysate is produced, or in which point of the protein is it cut by the hydrolyzing process. And this also means that many meta-analyses who took different hydrolysates in one pot, they have quite different results than if you only look at the results of one.
Thank you very much for your time.
Pleasure.
It was a really exciting discussion with you. And now personally, I wish you all the best.
And same to you.
And stay safe. And
Yeah,
thank you very much.
Yes. Okay. See
Bye-bye.
you. Bye-bye.